Good afternoon, fans. It's a nice Sunday morning, and how's everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody wake up nice and everything's cool. So I'm about to go for a short errand to see how things are looking like. Being a Sunday, nothing much to do, and just spin around and see how things are. So I'm now headed out, and go have some fun outside. Go have some fun. Going out outside to have some fun. Trying to pull out of this garage. So let me put on my I have to cross my garage. It's not too cold today. I'm headed out. Looks nice today. There's no snow. I'm gonna head out and drive around the city, go to the store, and spend a day running some errands. Get ready for tomorrow for school. I have a lot of policies to write tomorrow. I had 3 clients call me. They want a truck insurance. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do tomorrow. So first, let's go here. And while I'm in here, I just wanted to talk about something about the detention for the truckers. The detention pay is something you need to ask. Otherwise, if you don't ask about it, the brokers are not going to give it to you. Let's say, for example, if you are on a load, you have been dispatched, you go to the pickup, and you expect to pick it at 9 o'clock, but for some reasons, the freight is not ready. So what you need to do is stay there and record your time And after that, if it's 9 o'clock, say 9 o'clock Eastern time or Central time, wherever the time zone is. And then wait. If it's not ready, you wait. Usually the first 2 hours is free, and after that, you would have to invoice them or bill them to pay you. According to the rate confirmation, you have to check their policies, like how much they pay per hour if the flight is not ready. If you wait for 4 hours and they are paying $40 an hour, that's a total of $160. So that one you have to bill them, and you have to tell them something needs to be told, like the flight is not ready. Don't just sit there and expect them to know. Notify them, tell them the flight is not ready and you've been told to wait. And if it is a layover, meaning you're supposed to pick up a load on Monday, but for some reason they say it's not ready, so you would pick it on Tuesday, 8 o'clock in the morning. So you have to tell the broker, and the broker will tell the customer, so they know and you agree. And a smart thing you might need to do is tell them to send you the rate confirmation for the layover before you decide to stay on that load. Because some of them can say, oh, we'll pay layover. They don't tell you how much. And when it is tomorrow, you try to ask for that layover. They will say, oh, the layover will only pay you $100. But if you had told them before, they start telling you what to do, then they will be aware and they give you something in writing. If they don't have to adjust the rate confirmation right there, tell them to write you an email to document. Because some of them, they are very funny. They don't want to pay money out. They don't want to lose any money. So you don't want to be sitting here like you are doing favors for the brokers. We're out for business and they need to pay for something if, the flight is not ready for some reasons. So basically, that's what it means when you have a detention. You have to ask for it, and you have to be patient. Some of them, they take time, and you keep emailing them. They will say, okay, we'll send it. If you can't keep on emailing them like 2-3 times. I remember I was one time dealing with a broker. They agreed to pay detention in the morning. And when it was in the morning, I tried to email them. They didn't reply. I tried to call them. They didn't answer. And then I kept calling until I found somebody. And they said, oh, we are very sorry. We are going to do this and that. So what I'm trying to say is that if you don't keep asking, some of them, they will not pay you. But look at the fine print, look at what the detention policy says, and keep emailing them and ask them, we need detention. So basically, there's money out there. If you don't ask for that money, you are not going to, to get it. So be smart. The dispatch out there, the carriers, be smart and ask for that money which is out there, called the detention. Because as you are waiting, you are on the clock, and you are losing your DOT hours, and you are on the job. So you need somebody to be paying you while you are waiting. So if you have any question, I think I pretty much reached where I wanted to go. And so what I should say, I should get out of here, and I don't know if we need to have a mask. I I don't know if this store they require masks. They say Corona is almost over, but I think I have my mask here. So what I'll do, I'll just for my own protection and carry it, and I need to wear my mask. I need to wear my mask no matter what. You guys ready? Yeah, I need to put on my mask. I'll go to this store here and buy some stuff and get going. So basically that's what I was doing, saying guys, if you think this kind of video is gonna help you out and get something, let me know what you think, and give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think, and give me a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about the detention, and there's money out there, and you guys get some money. That's it for right now, and hope I will talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.